I will talk about how can you face this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then it's going to take you to apps here. In there you're looking for Airbnb app, or just click on it here, or go above search, click on it. So that here at Airbnb app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then here you search for Airbnb app. Just it's going to show for you here like this, and you will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.